Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Wuffi Inu token. Ticker symbol is WUF. Now it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, April 15th. We're going to go over the information on the Wuffi token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting exactly April 15th at 15 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol WUF, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. Of course, you'll have to wait until April 15th, 15 hours UTC time. Now, this is a very popular project. You can check out their Telegram at Wuffi_token, and they have 231,989 Telegram members. 22,183 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project if you want to learn more, see updates, things like that. If you go to their Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen right here, at Wuffi_Inu, 836,300 Twitter followers. So they're getting pretty close to getting 1 million Twitter followers here, and they just joined in December 2023. Very popular project in a short amount of time. It says, Wuff, the next gen meme and cross-chain coin on Solana and WEEX. Bark loud, bark proud. So, yeah, it says they have all sorts of updates on their Twitter here. They have a pinned tweet from April 8th. It says, pool your Wuff and watch your rewards flow on Orca. Liquidity provider rewards are now live on Orca for Wuff. Support the ecosystem, strengthen the pack, and earn howling good rewards. Don't just paw around, jump in now. And then they have a link to Orca where you can get involved with that if you like. They have all sorts of information about airdrops on their page. They have all sorts of partners information on there. So just recently they announced April 11th that they had 700,000 Twitter followers. So you can see how fast they're growing because they already have 836,000. And just a few days ago, how many days ago was that? 3 days ago, they had 700,000. So they gained over 100,000 followers in 3 days. So going insane here. And then April 11th, they announced that they had 300,000 plus holders as well. So growing, growing, growing. If you go to their webpage, they have information about the token, their mission, distribution, the Wuff Pack, blog articles, CoinGecko link, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. And you can find that at Wuffi.io. It says, next gen meme coin, Wuffi. Bark your calendars for 2024. Wuffi is the next gen meme coin crafted for gamers. is wagging its tail on the Solana and WEEX blockchain, eagerly sniffing out active wallets in the Wuffi ecosystem for a free, fantastic airdrop. Get ready for a gaming-centered journey with Wuffi. They have contract addresses to SolScan, WEEX, and DEX tools where you could check out the chart, the market cap, the price, see everything. All the statistics are going to be on DEX tools there. Fetch your WUF tokens today. The moment is now to claim your WUF tokens. So they have a claim now button on their page. If you're eligible for that, you can get involved in that. It says Wuffi goes mobile. We're taking WUF on a mobile adventure, launching WUF tokens into the wallets of Chapter 2 pre-order token holders on Solana. So I'm assuming this has to do with the Solana phone, because it says Solana mobile up there. Prepare for a wild ride with free WUF tokens and groundbreaking mobile experience. So what always happens here, it says they had a snapshot of Chapter 2 pre-order token holders, and they did that March 28th, 4 p.m. PST time, so they have information about that. But basically, I do videos on tokens like this all the time. One of them was Moomoo. What was another recent? There's so many recent ones here where people are like, how did I get these tokens in my wallet? There was a couple of meme coins on the base chain where people were like, how did I get these tokens in my wallet? They just appeared. Is this a scam? What's going on here? They just have no idea why these tokens just ended up in their wallets. And so I'm sure that'll happen with this token as well, because it also says Bonk snapshot. So if you own Bonk tokens, you could have been airdropped a bunch of these tokens here as well. March 28th, 4 p.m. PT time. It says for Bonk holders. So if you're a Bonk holder, maybe that's why you got airdropped. If you pre-ordered a Solana phone, maybe that's why you got airdropped. But yeah, they get airdropped for all sorts of different reasons, all sorts of different meme coins for being holders or whatever. You could be an NFT holders, and some of these meme coins you get airdropped, and people are confused, going, "Why did I get these tokens?" Anyways, partners are the alpha allies of Wuffi, infusing our pack with their bold expertise and adventurous spirit for an epic collaborative journey. They have all their partners on here like WEEX, Solana, Atomic Hub, NFT Hive, VIRL Market, Nifty Blocks, Strike, Alcor, WEEX on Edge, Orca, Raydium, etc. And then they have tons of game partners, too many to even go over, like Monster, Rooms, Taco Studios, you name it. They have like a huge amount of them. And then they have community ones as well, like KCEX, Wallet, Wombat, TapSwap, tons of those as well. It says more coming soon. Howl to the moon. Wuffi is on a tail-wagging quest to be the top dog of community coins in Web3. We're fetching success through expanding our kennel of integrations, pouncing into diverse chains, diving into DeFi pools, and playing fetch in Wuffi's gaming playground. In our pack, every bark counts. The stronger the howl, the mightier our mission. It says they have the Chain Chomper sniffing out opportunities across multiple blockchains. Wuffi is versatile, multi-chain hound. Every member of the WUF pack adds value and spirit to our thriving ecosystem. Sniffing out active wallets in the Wuffi ecosystem for our fantastic free airdrops. Leading the pack in the gaming universe. Functionality meets fun, wagging tails in the Web3 space with innovative community-centric developments, and Wuffi adds a playful spin to DeFi, making it rewarding experience for every member of the pack. So they have lots of stuff going on here. Max total supply, 100 trillion tokens. 30% of the tokens go to community airdrops, 25% market development, 5% initial liquidity, 10% DEX traders, 20% early contributors, 10% developer integrations. So go check out this project. They got a Telegram, Discord, Twitter. Twitter's up right here. You're going to find all the links on this Twitter right here. And you'll find this token newly listed as of tomorrow on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.